Polypropylene polymer, customs code 3902. Transportation from the factory in Nukus, Uzbekistan to Samsung's warehouses in Izmit and Mersin in Turkey. Goods will be carried in 25 kilogram bags on pallets. Pallet dimensions: weight 110, length 130, height 135 centimeters. Pallet weight: net 1020 kilograms. Transport volume: 5,000 ton per month, 60,000 ton per year. The goods to be loaded into wagons in the factory in Nukus, Uzbekistan will be transported to Turkey following two routes. Route 1, summer. This route consists of a combined system of railway and sea transportation over Nukus, Uzbekistan, Aktau, Kazakhstan to Izmit and Mersin in Turkey, and it will be used for 6 months from May until the end of October. Route 2, winter. This route consists of railway transportation over Nukus, Uzbekistan, Sarax, Iran, to Izmit and Mersin in Turkey, and it will be used for 6 months from November until April. Route 1, summer. Railway transportation from Nukus, Uzbekistan to Aktau port of Kazakhstan, which is at a distance of 980 kilometers from Nukus. Covered wagons with dimensions of weight 277, length 1,575, height 279 centimeters will be used there. Each block train will be arranged to carry 850 tons of goods by 19 wagons. Monthly, 112 wagons will be allocated for transportations and 5,000 tons will be carried. The goods that are carried in wagons to Aktau port of Kazakhstan will be stored in the protected warehouses and waited until loading onto ship in this port. When the goods reach 2,500 tons in total, they will be loaded onto ship. Sea transportation from Aktau port of Kazakhstan to Izmit port of Turkey, which is at a distance of 3,050 kilometers, and to Mersin port of Turkey at a distance of 4,110 kilometers from Aktau. The goods stored in the warehouses will be directly loaded onto channel ships once every 15 days, and 2,500 tons will be carried to Izmit and Mersin port of Turkey each monthly. Transportation of goods via trucks from Mersin and Izmit port to Samsung warehouses, which are at a distance of 20 kilometers from each port. The goods to be carried to the ports will be directly transshipped to the trucks and transported to Samsung warehouses. Monthly, 200 trucks will be used, including 100 trucks for each ship. The estimated time for this route, depending on weather conditions, is calculated around 28 minus plus 3 days for Izmit and 30 minus plus 3 for Mersin, Turkey. Route 2, winter. Railway transportation through Nukus, Uzbekistan, Sarax, Iran, Van, Turkey, 3,120 kilometers. Palletized goods will be loaded directly into wagons in the factory in Nukus, Uzbekistan. Covered wagons with the dimensions of weight 277, length 1,572, height 279 centimeters will be used. Maximum 44,880 kilograms with 44 pallets will be loaded into each wagon. Every block train will be composed of 19 wagons, and each train will depart with 850 net tons. 5,000 tons will be carried by 112 wagons per month. Since CIS countries have different rail gauge, the bogies of the wagons will be replaced with the standard gauge bogies in Sarax border station, and these station wagons will continue running till Van, Turkey. Monthly, 2,500 tons of goods will be transported from Van station of Turkey to Izmit station and Mersin station of Turkey that are at a distance of 1,750 kilometers and 950 kilometers from it respectively. Wagons of CIS countries aren't compatible with the Turkish conditions in respect of rail gauge. Therefore, CIS wagons will be transshipped to the Turkish wagons in van station of Turkey. 5,000 tons of palletized goods will be loaded into 112 wagons and they will be carried by 6 block trains. Transportation via trucks to Samsung warehouses that are at a distance of 25 kilometers from İzmit station and 20 kilometers from Mersin station of Turkey. The goods to be carried to the stations shall be transshipped directly from wagons to trucks and transported to Samsung warehouses. Monthly, 200 trucks will be used, including 100 trucks for each destination. The estimated time for this route, depending on weather conditions and including the time elapsed for changing of the wheels of the wagon and switching the wagons in van station, is calculated around 27 minus plus 3 days for İzmit and 23 minus plus 3 days for Mersin, Turkey. For this transportation, Wagon Bar, that is our agency in Iran, will assist us under the guidance of expert staff of Demi Logistics. Alternative loading in wagons, 25 kilogram bags in bulk in Akçay port, repacking bags in jumbo bags and load them on vessel. Loading onto wagons and freight ships will be monitored and recorded by the SGS. According to your request, we are ready to discuss all details and provide more complete information while personal meeting.